This is the TECKIN wireless voice-activated 13-amp smart home plug. Remote control your electricals via mobile phone from anywhere and anytime. Bring convenience and efficiency to your life. This smart plug is compatible with Alexa, Google Home and Samsung SmartThings, and the voice control makes life more interesting. Create customized schedule, or timer, to your device, and these plugs will turn on, or off, items such as lamps, the heating and the coffee maker at a preset time. Trusted by more than 4 million users. Provides 24 months replacement service. A reliable support team will respond to you within 24 hours. The Smart Life app that comes with the plugs is brilliant and well made, with so many functions including schedules and automations which are brilliant. I've been considering Wi-Fi sockets for over a year and they all seemed too bulky until I found these. These are smaller than the mechanical timers you buy. My first set of smart sockets, for just under £22. I thought that was a good price to get started with. The sockets feel nice with no sharp edges, they look modern and they work. So impressed with the smart app. It not only lets you set alarms and schedules but shows how much energy it's using. I've even synchronized it with Amazon Alexa and was really impressed how quick and easy it all was. My only issue was to do with my Virgin Media Wi-Fi and not the product. The product uses 4G, but the latest Wi-Fi boxes from Virgin use the same name for their 4G and 5G products, which confuses the plugs during setup. A quick Google search, and a change of setting on the Virgin Media router, all good. Not the product's fault, but worth mentioning so you can fix it quicker than me. So, as for setup, it's just a case of pairing that plugs with the Smart Life app. I have other devices already paired on this app and so my home Wi-Fi is already connected on there. So it's just a case of selecting the plugs in the app and having them connected. Easy. The app is excellent, to be fair, allowing multiple devices to be controlled in a simple clean interface. I have all my smart plugs and smart bulbs appropriately labeled in the app. It is very easy to switch them on, or off, to set timers, adjust brightness, in the case of the light bulbs, and so on. Extending this further to add voice command support isn't a great deal more effort. It is just a case of adding the Smart Life skill to Alexa. This will allow you to voice control your devices. I have my Alexa app paired with a single Echo Dot, but will look to extend this later. Overall, very happy with these plugs and I will look to get more when they go on offer, which is regularly. These plugs are actually quite small in comparison to some other smart plugs out there. Nevertheless, these are quality products. I have recommended these to family and friends. I recommend using the Smart Life app for setup and ignore the included paper instructions. My sister bought these to switch on the garden lights and fountain remotely without plugging and unplugging. They are quite slim, so you can plug them in next to each other in extension block. She's very happy with them. She programmed them in a few seconds. Nothing else needed unless you need to control devices while you are away from home. She easily synchronized them to their Alexa and have worked exceptionally well, without failing since installation. These wireless plugs has helped her to easily switch off appliances that are in difficult places to get to and are not in use, therefore saving money. It is useful to know, they can adjust the lights to come on at sunset and go off at any time they like, even though they are 1,500 miles away. Excellent value for money. Click link in description for more reviews.